What's up everybody, this is Mike, and today I'm really excited to share the news with you. We have a brand new drone that has just been announced on the market by Parrot. The European French company Parrot has just released a 4K foldable drone that's called ANAFI. Really interesting drone, and I cannot wait to share everything we know so far about this drone. Stay tuned. So if you don't know, Parrot is a French company that has actually been on the market for quite some time. They are quite famous for the drones that they have made so far. So it's great to see that they're pushing and they're trying to compete with DJI by releasing a brand new 4K foldable drone on the market. So today was the announcement date of this new drone called ANAFI. So Parrot was actually hinting about releasing a brand new drone for quite some time. I've been following their Twitter account, and they were releasing some hints and posts saying that something big is coming. So today they finally announced it. Let's see what the Parrot ANAFI drone actually has to offer. So like I said, it's a 4K foldable drone which has a very similar design to the Mavic Pro, but as you can see from the photos, it's thinner and longer when it's folded. So I really like the look of this, but the thing I'm most excited about is the camera. The design of the camera is completely new. We have a 3-axis gimbal and a 21 megapixel camera, which is capable to go all the way up or all the way down. Now, we are all very familiar with the feature of going all the way down, but the thing we have never seen before is a camera which goes all the way up, and you're able to actually look up and shoot something that's above you. And that's something that gives you a completely different perspective, and I'm a huge fan of. I cannot wait to see some real life demonstration of how this thing is actually working and some different perspectives that we haven't seen before. So if you want to take photos, you will be able to do so with the 21 megapixel camera. You will be able to shoot both in JPEG and RAW format. And if you could switch to video mode, you will be able to shoot in 4K HDR mode in 24, 25 or 30 frames per second. If you go to 1080p, you will be able to shoot in 24, 25, 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second if you want to slow down your footage. The thing that the Parrot ANAFI drone brings to the table, which is new, is the digital zoom option, which allows you to shoot with no loss of quality. If you're filming at 4K, you will be able to zoom 1.4 times and 2.8 times if you're filming in 1080p. The transmission technology of the ANAFI drone is Wi-Fi, so similar to the Mavic Air, it has an enhanced Wi-Fi transmission technology which allows you to go 2.4 miles away or 4 kilometers if you're willing to try that. Both 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz networks are available, so you can switch between them according to your needs. Because of its small size and foldable design, the drone weighs just 320 grams and you can reach a maximum flight speed of 50 kilometers per hour. So Parrot claims this drone has been in development for the past 2.5 years, and because of all of the work they have put into creating this drone, they've made it 35% quieter than the Parrot Bebop 2, which was their most famous drone from the past, and they even claim it's quieter than most competitive drones on the market right now. So maybe it's quieter than the Mavic Air, the Spark, and even the Mavic Pro Platinum. I am not sure about that, but we'll have to wait and see. One of the things that I'm really disappointed about from reading about this drone and hearing lots of comments is that it doesn't have obstacle avoidance system. So basically that puts it just above the DJI Spark in my book. It's not a real competition for the Mavic Air, for example, since it doesn't have an obstacle system. And personally, I'm just a bit disappointed that a drone that's going to be released in 2018 will not have obstacle avoidance system. However, we are still going to see some advanced features such as sport mode, intelligent flight modes, follow me mode, and etc. One of the things I really appreciate about this drone is the fact that it has a USB-C port which you can use to directly charge the battery. You can use a power bank to do so, or you can use the regular charger. And to completely charge the drone, you will need an hour and a half. And that's great, and I really appreciate this feature. I would really like to see it on every future drone we see. Before I go, the last thing we need to address about this drone is the price and when it's going to be released. So Parrot has just stated that the price is going to be $699 or euros, and I really like the fact that they're going to keep the same price regardless of the currency you're using. So $699 or euros, and you get a controller included with the package. So this brings the Parrot ANAFI drone between the Spark and the Mavic Air price-wise, and I think it fits right there when it comes to features as well. Personally, I'm really happy to see a brand new drone being released on the market from a company that's not DJI, and it actually has a lot of nice features that I'm excited about. I cannot wait to see this camera going all the way up and all the way down. So the drone is now available to pre-order on Parrot's website, and we will be able to see the drone early July. That's what they're promising. So we have just under a month to wait until we see more of the Parrot ANAFI drone, and I couldn't be more excited about that. So that's everything we know so far about the Parrot ANAFI drone. I will link it below if you want to see more information on the website, if you want to pre-order it yourself. And I really hope I can get my hands on one of those drones very soon as it gets released. Parrot, if you're watching this, I really hope we can work something out and I can review it for you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, guys. It's been a pleasure to create this video. Please subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my future uploads. Drop a like to show some support, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!